What's going on YouTube? Today I want to show you how to build one of these. What are one of these? This is a straight line cutting jig, also known as a joining jig for your table saw. My name's Andy, this is Cedar River Woodworking. Welcome to the shop. So what exactly would you need one of these for? Well, what I'm going to use it for is to cut some construction lumber to have a straight, smooth edge. What you're going to do with these is you just set it in place and you will clamp it down. Then you will run this back surface here, which is a straight, known surface, against the fence on your table saw, and it will create a clean, smooth edge. I'll show you exactly how we do that. So let's jump right in and show you how we build one of these guys. First off, I would like to welcome you to the shop. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. What we're going to start off here is with some 3/4 inch MDF. And you can see that these strips here were cut to length. This is an 8-foot long board. There's two 2-inch strips and one 6-inch strip. I actually got these from a home center that was in the scrap pile, and they cut them to width for me. So this is a fairly affordable project to be able to do. So we will be gluing the two 2-inch strips to the top of the 6-inch strip, and this is done with Titebond Quick and Thick, and we are going to just clamp those in place. Make sure that you're leaving the 2-inch strips overhanging just on the outside edge of the 6-inch strip. Later on in the video, we will show you why that is important. But right now, go ahead and get all your clamps put on there. And when you're putting these clamps on, try not to make sure that any of the edges are bowed because you will be cutting a straight reference edge in the future once this is done drying. So like I had said, I will be using this jig to cut down some construction 2x6s. These 2x6s are actually used in a farmhouse trestle table. And if you have not already, hit the subscribe button because you will see the update when that table gets uploaded. Once the glue is completely dried and you have your clamps off, we'll take it over to the table saw. Raise your blade just high enough so it covers all 3 layers of the MDF, and then set it so that you're trimming the outside edge of it. This is the reason why you have the overhang, so that you can cut everything off, and then it will be completely flush on the back edge. This back edge is actually the edge that will be riding against your table saw fence later on in the video. I use 3 layers because you saw in the clip earlier that the toggle clamps barely clear my fence. I have a Biesmeyer fence and I needed that extra clearance so that those would fit over top of it. So if you have 3 layers like I do, it's most likely that it will clear any fence that you have out there. Once you have that edge strip off of there, just like any other goofball out there, you have to make sure you play with it and make all kinds of funny noises like I do. So once playtime is over, you're going to go ahead and secure in your toggle clamps. These clamps I got at Harbor Freight. You can get them at any major home center. These are just the most affordable ones, and they have a 500-pound clamping capacity, so more than enough for what you need to do. I got 6 clamps, so they're spaced roughly 1 to 1.5 feet apart. and then we will secure down all the clamps to it, and we are almost finished. So once you've got all of your clamps secured down into place, you are finished with your project. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, hit that thumbs up button, and one of these videos in the credits may also help you out with some other project that you have. For now, my name's Andy, and I will see you in the next video.